Hi there and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christina and in today's video I'm feeling extra sassy and I have my Diet Coke here and we're just gonna get into it. We're gonna rant a little, we're gonna get a little bit petty about design and let's get started. And who doesn't love that sound of Diet Coke opening? Ready? Okay, so in today's video, I'm talking about 5 things that I just don't like. And there's no good reason, and I'm sure people are gonna disagree with me, but sometimes you just don't like something. So the first thing that I just don't like, and it seems to be everywhere all over social media, on YouTube, on Instagram, are decorative beads. I don't get it. Why? What do they don't serve a purpose. They're just little like beads and people will throw them in bowls and have them drape out. I just don't get it. They serve absolutely no purpose. And I get having little pretty tchotchkes and little things that you like, but they at least need to like serve a little bit of a purpose. So I tend to decorate with like bowls and vases and things that you could use for something. And while I may never use them other than being decorative, they at least have a purpose. The beads or anything else like that that serves little value other than just being on your table, why? No, I don't get it. And maybe that's just the minimalism in me that I don't see the purpose. And I don't even think they look that cute. They just look very boho, very random. So no offense if you have these all over your house. I'm sorry, I just don't like them. Okay, I'll try to take a sip between each one to kind of like calm myself down. It's probably a good idea. Next thing are barn doors. Unless it's on a barn, I don't like it. They are all the craze. I think they're kind of going out. I hope so. I get why people are doing it. It's easier to just throw on a barn door because you just attach that. You can do it yourself rather than having a door framed out and put in. But I just don't like them. I do, however, like pocket doors. But again, a pocket door is a lot harder to go in. You have to have the space to do it. But I just don't like barn doors. I think they're ugly. I don't like them. And I know people try to make them like more modern to not be so farmhouse, but they still look like a barn door. They're super industrial. No, I don't like them. Just have your door open, or because it's not like it's providing that much privacy and security. You can usually hear underneath them. They're not locking. If you actually need privacy, put up an actual door or just don't bother. No, I'm not a fan of the barn door, sorry. Okay, next sip. This is all in good fun. If you have these in your home, I'm sure they're beautiful. I'll just silently judge that you have a barn door. It's okay, fine. I'm sure you don't like that my house is all black and white and I have no color. That's okay too, so. Okay, and my list is gonna, as I go along, I think I'm gonna annoy more and more people. But third thing that I just don't like are when people will buy either fake or faux plants. I don't care for faux plants, so it's even worse if it's in a faux plant. I have a plant and the pot that it's in is teeny tiny. Why? It feels like it's gonna like tip over. Put it in a bigger pot, make it more of a statement. I was just at Crate and Barrel, and even at Crate and Barrel, they had plants that had these like little pots for like a tall tree. And I'm sure it isn't gonna tip over, but it just looks like it is. And I like a big statement, get a bigger pot. I know it costs a little bit more money, but definitely just invest in a bit bigger pot. And if it's fake, just throw it away. If it's a fake plant in a little pot, no, you failed on all accounts. Just kidding, but seriously. Okay, number 4, I think I'm gonna get some people with this one. I personally don't love all this mid-century modern. Now don't get me wrong, I can appreciate the actual mid-century pieces, like the vintage antique type furniture pieces that have lasted since like the 60s when this was the style, and high-end beautiful pieces of like wood furniture. Those I can appreciate. I think they do look beautiful in the right home. But what I cannot stand, which I'm seeing everywhere, they're all over current stores, mid-century inspired pieces that are manufactured cheaply. And they're the things that have a geometric front panel on them, and then they have like skinny legs, and they always go at like that angle, which mid-century is known for. But these just look so cheap, they don't look high-end, and I just don't like them. No. If you love the mid-century look, splurge and find an actual beautiful, authentic piece or at least someone that's doing them well now. But I don't see it. And why is everything so low? Everything just seems so low, so short, the mid-century things. I'm just not a huge fan. And I know it's a really popular style. I know people love it. Not what I like. Okay, for this last one, I think I need to take a sip before I offend all my viewers. Okay, the fifth and final thing of design that I just don't like, and I'm gonna be petty about it. I don't like Ikea. Okay, could you in the comments explain to me, if you're a lover of Ikea, try to convert me. I'm willing to listen. But I just don't like the pieces. I appreciate that there's a lot of minimal design, that like Scandi look. I like that. But it's just, and I realize maybe I've just evolved to a point where I want higher quality. I'm wanting bigger pieces, more statement pieces. I want things that are made of wood or metal or real materials, and you just aren't gonna get that with Ikea. And I have a big family, and we use and abuse furniture and things, and if it's made of like MDF board, it'll last a week in my house. So I think that's why I don't like it. And I also don't like that it's kind of everywhere. And maybe it's just the places I'm looking, like on Instagram and YouTube, and I see people being creative, like, oh, you buy this cabinet and you do this hack with it. I don't like the quality. I don't like the pieces, and maybe there's gems out there that I'm just sleeping on and not appreciating, but I just don't like the quality. And actually, when we bought this house, the people who owned a home before did the kitchen in Ikea cabinets, and they were not good. And maybe it was just how they installed them. We ripped those cabinets out and we put up real wood cabinets, because the kitchen gets used, doesn't it? I mean, we use our kitchen all the time. The kitchen is the beating heart of our family. Our whole living situation revolves around the kitchen. It's an open concept, so we are in that kitchen, we are using that kitchen, and Ikea cabinets would not have lasted at all. And furniture-wise, the furniture wouldn't last. I'm just not a fan. So if you are an Ikea lover, please try to convert me. Please let me know in the comments the things that you love. I do have an Ikea here in town in Las Vegas, and I'm willing to go there and look and walk around. If you made it to the end, thank you for hearing my ranting and raging over the things I don't like. Let me know if you agree. I hope I didn't offend any of my viewers. This was all in good fun, but I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.